Hi, in this video we are going to update our Angular app to version 14 and show how we can use the new feature standalone components. At the moment we are running on Angular 13, so let's get started. We go to the browser and open the update.angular.io. Here we get instructions for updating Angular. From 13 to 14 is already selected. We click on Show me how to update, grab the ng update statement and paste it into the terminal. After a few moments, our package.json gets updated and we are already good to go. I also want to update the Angular CDK to the latest version. Before using ng update again, I have to commit the latest changes. Then I type in ng update angular/cdk at 14 and hit enter. Now all the Angular related packages are updated correctly. Let's run the app to make sure that everything still works fine. Now after running ngs, we are prompted with two questions. I will answer yes on the first one and no on the second one, but this is up to you. If we go to the browser, we can see that our app still runs nicely. So let's see how we can use the new feature standalone component. We'll transform our existing clock component to become standalone. First, we will remove its declaration from the imports and exports array of the shared module. When we do this, we will get an error in the menu component template and as it will be unable to find the clock component. Then we will add the standalone flag to the component decorator and import the clock component into the applications module. Now you're getting an error that the date pipe is missing in the clock component template. And to get rid of it, we need to add the common module to the imports array just below the standalone flag. And that's it. The app compiled successfully. If you're still seeing this error in the component class, I suggest closing and reopening VS Code. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.